on the topic of inflation. From the first slide, you all can see what my topic is. Next is look at the current scenario. When looking into the inflation, what exactly the inflation is, how it is affecting our day-to-day life, what are the causes behind it, and what are the effects on our life, and who will take care of it, the measures. So all of this we are going to understand in today's presentation. Basically from the first example, from 1947 to 2019, even the 2022, the prices has risen in the exam. Does the price of milk has only risen, or the other goods of prices has also risen? Like when we compare from the past to the till present, various prices of goods has increased. A continuous increase in price is called as the inflation. A continuous increase in general level of price. What is general level of price? Means all the factors, like most of the products or commodities prices has risen. That is called as the general level of. Okay, this is all about inflation. Refer to rise in the price of most goods and services of a common use, such as a food, clothing, the overall which we use. So, does that mean inflation is a temporary? No. Inflation might be for a continuous time, like for a 2-3 days the prices has risen up, doesn't consider under this. A particular sector there is a change in price and inflation is rising. It doesn't mean that inflation is there. There is something, there is a change in all the sectors. So this will be considered as inflation generally measured with a WPI and CPI index. WPI is the wholesale price index and CPI is consumer price index. Consumer price index basically on the perspective of a consumer, which he buys the thing, on that the inflation is occurred. In wholesale price index, it basically focuses on the wholesaler side inflation, what the wholesaler is thought and the increase in the price level at wholesale price. So now when we are considering about what caused the inflation, there are various factors which cause inflation. Firstly, the main two reasons are demand and supply. Demand, whenever the demand increases, the price also increases. If we demand more particular to that product, of course the price is going to hike up. The next one is the supply. Whenever the supply is limited, of course price is going to hike. And why the supply is limited? There are various factors around that. Why people are demanding more? There are some factors and reason behind that. Whenever there is an increase in money supply, people used to buy more commodities. Of course, it will lead to rise up in the demand. Whenever supply is less, why it is so? Other factor can include the natural calamities come up in that reason. The cost of production might be have risen. What is cost of production? To make that product, various costs including that. It might be the raw material or something has risen up that lead to the increase in whole product. Let me take an example of petrol. Recently the crude oil are rising up, but I don't have a car, I am not driving it, but how it has effect on my life? The food I am getting on my plate is because of transportation. So transportation cost has increased, that's why all those stuff like fruits, vegetables, all things which we are getting via the transportation is increased. Now this is all about demand pull, cost push and welding. Whenever we demand more, whenever the supply is limited, increase in cost production, that. And third one is welding, means there is an increase in price of wages. If the trade union is demanding more, we want more in wages increase. This will lead to inflation at rate. Like if the laborers are getting a higher wages, they will spend those money to buy the consumer goods. It will lead to increase. Okay, now looking at the effects of inflation. It do has effect in our day-to-day life. Now, considering the effects, there are two effects, positive and negative. The positive effect will be on like the businessman, those who are the producer. They will be in a profit because they are selling it at a very higher cost. Those who are the loser, like the negative effect will be on us, the consumer, the local people, those who are middle class, they will get badly affected from the inflation. How? The thing is that we middle class totally rely on the fixed income. In inflation, what we usually see, price is rising, but there is a decrease in the value of currency. When I keep my 10,000 or some sort of a money on my FD or saving, I get a particular interest. But when inflation is rising at a higher pace, it too has an effect on my money that I have kept in my bank account. At certain level, if inflation is rising up too high, then at certain level my kept in amount I have kept will be less value. Means I have to buy those things. I have to pay more. The value of currency has goes down. The example is there. Now, how does this affect me? As I told you, middle class get affected. In this situation, the farmers are at certain level might be get a little bit profit because it encourages farmer to produce more that goods are in demand. So they will try to produce those certain kind of no, so of course in our day-to-day life everything will be get costlier. The higher food cost, higher gasoline, higher utility, not receiving an increase means fixed income people. They totally rely on that much amount of 10,000 salary. So this is the main effect on higher interest rate on. Okay, who will take care of it? Generally when we look into the inflation, like कौन उसको देखेगा? Who will control? Of course, there is the RBI. The current governor is Shaktikant Das. He is the current RBI governor. RBI is coming with a certain policies which will control inflation. A mild, a creeping inflation is good for economy, is healthy for economy, but it goes to beyond that certain level. It might be a little dangerous effect on economic. The best example is Sri Lanka. What happening in current situation? So RBI is basically coming up with the policies, monetary measures, fiscal measures, and direct policy. Fiscal measures basically include related to taxation. If government increase or decrease in the GSTs, it has a direct effect. Monetary measure basically to control the supply of money in the economy. Whenever the inflation increase in economy, what government try to do through the monetary measure, they will try to contract money from the system, from the market by increasing the various sort of government can do increase in taxation. The rate of interest also government will increase, and there are various other factors which government will try to not let the inflation be at a high. And direct measure, government can take a direct step again to fall the price of that commodity. Government can directly do that. Like RBI is working with the monetary policy committee, and they come up with bi-monthly policy which will check inflation and come up with certain solutions. Again, in monetary, there are the bank rates, the SLR, there are certain things which include it. Now, this is a reference which I have written. Now, here, who will win if inflation are getting high? If there is a battle between the government, the money has a certain value. If it goes down, the inflation will dominate. So, who will win? It depends on the situation. If the RBI is working well to control inflation at certain level, then of course inflation. Thank you. Now, overall conclusion of today's is, yes, it is going to affect our life, but what I can do in the phase when in current scenario we are in a walking inflation. It's around 2 to 6% around inflation comes under the walking inflation. So what I can do, I am earning some sort of fixed income. I don't have to put all my income on the saving. Instead of that, some sort of money I should do invest in the stock market, in mutual fund, because while inflation occurs, those who have invested on it, they will get a profit at certain level as compared to the totally losing the value of that currency. So it is better to put your money at a different level rather than just keeping those money at our home, at a bank. Nothing is going to increase whether you have to put that money to increase that amount. that's all about it. So thank you.